Hello everyone, it's April Garwood from Banana Moon Studio. In this video I'll be showing you how to crochet a circle in this single crochet stitch. And there are multiple ways to begin a circle. I'm going to show you my favorite. You're going to take your yarn with the end coming off the front of 2 fingers and then wrap it one time around your fingers. Then pinch that with your left hand and then place your hook through the loop that you've made. Then you're going to wrap the yarn around your hook and pull that through the loop that you've made, and then chain 1. Now you have this loop as well as your tail. You want to crochet over both strands of yarn as you place your hook through that loop, and then yarn over and pull up a loop, and yarn over and pull through 2 loops. And that's a single crochet stitch. We want to make 6 of those in this loop. I'm going to pull this tail and tighten my ring slightly so it's a little easier to work with. So I need to make 5 more single crochet stitches in this loop. I now have 6 single crochet stitches. You can count backwards if that helps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to be sure you have them all. Then you're going to take this tail and pull it. And what that does is it tightens up the hole in the center. Then you are going to put your hook under both loops of the first stitch that you made. And you're going to yarn over and do a slip stitch, which is pulling through the stitch and then right through the additional loop on your hook. So that is our first round of the circle. For the second round, we will chain 1, and then going right back into that first stitch where we just joined, we want to make 2 single crochet stitches here. So here's the first one, back in the same hole to make another one. And then in each of the remaining stitches around, we're going to place 2 single crochet stitches for a total of 12. Now I've done 12 stitches. I'll count backwards to be sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And you may be wondering, what is this right here? Because it really looks like it's another stitch and I should work into it. This is the joining slip stitch from the end of my first round. It's not a stitch, and I don't want to place any stitches there. This loop right here is the chain 1 from the beginning of round 2. I'm not going to place anything there. This right here is my first stitch. I want to go into that and work a slip stitch to join the end of my round. That finishes round 2. To make round 3, I'm going to chain 1. In this first stitch, this is where I just joined. In the first stitch, I'm just going to place 1 single crochet stitch. In the next stitch, I'm going to make 2. Every time we place 2 stitches into 1 stitch, we can call that an increase. That's what we call an increase in crochet. In the third stitch, I'll place 1. In the fourth stitch, I'll place 2. And I'm going to continue that pattern around. In one stitch, I'll place 1. In the next stitch, I'll place 2. And here's my last increase. Again, this that looks like a stitch, that's my joining slip stitch from the end of the last round. Here's my chain 1 from the beginning of this round. Here's my first stitch. I'm going to go into that and join. So I've increased by 6 in this round. I should have a total of 18. So the way that the circle goes from here follows a very particular pattern. So in our round 2, we didn't place any singles in between our increases. In round 3, we placed 1 single between our increases. In round 4, we'll place 2 singles between our increases. So we'll go back in the first stitch, we'll do just 1 stitch, Then in the next we'll do just one stitch, and in the next we do our increase. And we're going to follow that pattern throughout this round. It's going to be a single, another single, then an increase. We'll repeat that around. Here's my last increase. I have my joining slip stitch, my chain one, my first stitch, so we'll join there. And as I said, each round we're going to increase our number of singles between the increases by 1. On the round we just finished, we did a single, and then an increase. So now we're going to do a chain 1, and we'll do 3 singular stitches. 1, 2, and 3, and then we'll place our increase. And that's the pattern we'll repeat for this entire round. Now, that is setting up what you need to know for every additional round. We're doing 3 single stitches between increases here. The next round will have 4 single stitches between increases. The next round will have 5 single stitches between increases, and so on. That is how you keep going to make your circle as big as you want it to be. So that is how you crochet a circle in the single crochet stitch. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share this video. Leave your comments about what it is you would like to learn in crochet or what you're going to use your circles for. I hope you all have a lovely day. Bye.